So when you're cooking at home, which has been a lot in this past year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Or in a restaurant, what are the things, the gadgets, the tools, the whatevers that you're like, as long as I have these, I'm good?
What do I need? Gotta have a great knife, and at home it should be a small one, not a huge one. They're called petties. Like I have two of them, that's all I need.
Yeah.
The microplane.
Uh-huh.
Gotta have a microplane. I love the garlic press, but you can microplane garlic, you can microplane a shallot, you can obviously use it for lemons. Microplanes are great.
Yeah.
A fish spat.
Yeah.
Once you flip a burger with a fish spat, you're not going back.
You're never going back.
No, like once you got a fish spat, that's it. As far as pans go, like you need one good enameled. Like you gotta like spend a little bit of money once in your life and buy that one good enameled cast iron pot. Because it's that much better than a non-enameled one. Like cook on a Lodge, cook on a Le Creuset.
Yeah.
And you're like,
That's the one.
That's the one, right?
Yeah.
So, and it should be like a 5-quart. That's
Yeah.
a good size for home. I have one Le Creuset like saute pan kind of thing. It's about yay big. I cook 70% of my meals at home in that, literally, in the oven on the stove. It's my favorite. I mean, it was $350, but I use it 3 times a week.
Right.
Oh, and like a nice wood, thick cutting board that you treat like the live thing that it is. Like, so you wash it, and then once every 2 weeks you oil it down. Like it'll really reward you. That's it. Everything else is superfluous.